Ano naman kung nag-work ka sa fast food for 2 years at gusto mo mag-apply sa BPO or gusto mo maging freelancer? And dahil kulang yung information ni Janine, magagawa na lang tayo ng mock persona na malapit-lapit dyan. So, let's just say for example, nag-work ka ng 2 years sa fast food, ikaw ay cashier, and during college, ang tinake mo ay Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Kung di ko alam kung saan ko hinugot yun. Pagkatapos na position is related to, let's just say, property management. Or kung sa BPO account naman ay, nalimutan ko kung ano yung pangalan ng account pero mga booking management, ganyan. And we also want to make it as simple as possible. Size para hindi naman masyadong intimidating ang atake, ganon. And per usually, apply pa rin natin tong pattern na to na nakulimbat natin sa isang Facebook group, which makes sense. Maganda siya. Hi, my name is Mary Rose Ganson, and as a cashier for 2 years in one of the largest fast food chain here in the Philippines, I interacted with customers regularly. I also help resolve issues regarding their orders and handle inquiries efficiently. Keep in mind that managing cash and processing transaction also require accuracy and attention to detail. Working in a fast-paced environment like fast food required me to juggle multiple tasks simultaneously. I also have experience in dealing with customer issues on the spot. I've managed different cashier duties, which includes handling money, taking orders, maintaining inventory records, and while I may not have experience in property management software, I have been exposed in using basic computer tools such as Microsoft Office and Google Workspace. I also use the POS system, and I'm currently doing my research regarding softwares that you use, such as Appfolio, Yardi, even basic project management tools such as Trello and Asana. My educational background in information technology gives me a strong understanding of software and tools, which I believe is highly beneficial in the property management virtual assistant role. I am very comfortable in learning and adapting to various property management tools, and my previous experience enhanced my communication and problem-solving skills. During my 2 years experience as a cashier in the fast food industry, I developed strong skills in handling customer service, time management, multitasking, and I believe that one of the most notable achievements that I have was consistently maintaining high customer service satisfaction levels, even during peak hours. I took pride in quickly resolving customer complaints, ensuring smooth and efficient service, and maintaining accuracy in handling cash and transactions. In one instance, I do remember I managed to streamline the order process during a particularly busy shift, which helped reduce customer wait times and improving overall customer experience. My work experience as a cashier in the fast food industry has given me a unique set of skills that I believe will bring great value to a property management team. I thrive in a team environment, and I'm always focused on providing exceptional customer service. My experience in ensuring customer satisfaction aligns well with the role of a property management virtual assistant, where tenant relations and responsiveness is key. My strong work ethic, dependability, and ability to remain calm under pressure set me apart, and I believe these traits will allow me to effectively manage the daily tasks of a property management virtual assistant while providing great value to the team. Thank you.